Hello guys, it's Tracer the Husky here, and today we are doing a review of the Silent Night IDP-photo CO smoke detector on a BS 6200 sounder base. So let's take a close look at the device. It's a very interesting looking smoke detector. As you can see, it's addressable. Here's the model number. This is a very new device. This one was taken out of a system because it didn't work. So I replaced it. Here's the sounder base. This is for people with sensitive hearing, to where they would hurt to where fire alarms, horns would not be feasible. Here's the model number. BS 200 LS, excuse me. LF, excuse me. This is what the back of the sounder base looks like. You can put a conventional smoke detector head on this and put a addressable module right there, but this one is in its conventional configuration. Alright everybody, this has been a review of the Silent Night IDP CO photoelectric and carbon dioxide and heat detector on a low frequency sounder base. Please rate, comment, of course subscribe. Have a nice day.